In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes. Click on a perfect one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!